We are proud to have over 200 partnerships with corporations, with nonprofits, with universities, with schools, and all of these partnerships are win-win for both parties. And they also provide a rich tapestry of opportunities for community inclusion for people with and without disabilities. This is evidence that we can indeed create the community that we wish to live in. In addition to partnering with others that provide services or reach new areas of our community, we also train, we study, we disseminate inclusionary practices that work. Because in the end, it's about Abilities United and all of our partners here and what we can create, the types of opportunities that we can create for people of all abilities, and to share this knowledge with others so that they can too also include people of all abilities in their businesses, in their communities. So now at this time, I want to share just a few examples with you. So with the support and the strategies of our partners in medicine, such as El Camino Hospital, Palo Alto Medical Foundation, and the Palo Alto VA, we've provided training opportunities and educational outreach for stroke rehabilitation and stroke prevention. We've provided in-class support and co-teaching and training to local preschools so that these schools can develop inclusive classrooms to better serve children in their own neighborhoods. We provide collaborative consultation to the Institute of Human and Social Development in areas of occupational therapy. We provide computer, internet, and social media education to seniors, to low-income youth groups, and to people with disabilities to help close that digital divide. We partner with the City of Palo Alto to run an inclusive summer camp for school-aged children of all abilities. And for our university and hospital partners, such as UCSF, San Jose State University, not to mention Lucile Packard Children's Hospital in Stanford, we provide clinical and community-based observation and rotation sites. And we're very proud to do that. And speaking of Stanford and Lucile Packard Children's Hospital, Abilities United and Stanford have shared a long history together and have enjoyed several projects and involvement over the years. Decades ago, an Abilities United founder, Betty Wright, shared qualitative data with the Stanford University Human Biology Department, which was used to prove the importance of community-based services for people with disabilities, as well as the benefits of aquatic therapy. Today, the Stanford University School of Medicine's Department of Developmental and Behavioral Pediatrics professor, Dr. Heidi Feldman, enhances and contextualizes her students' classroom and field studies through a partnership with Abilities United's team of professionals, and then through the men, women, and the families that we serve. Stanford has demonstrated their commitment to a diverse workforce by hiring people with disabilities at the Meyer Library and with the Residential and Dining Services Department. And we hope that's just the start. We expect more to come. Abilities United has benefited from student research projects through the School of Business and the School of Engineering. And we are proud to refer families that we serve to the support groups and the opportunities at the Stanford Autism Center at Lucile Packard Children's Hospital, just as they refer families to Abilities United for classes and supports and services. Most recently, our educators, therapists, and developmental specialists are receiving customized training on pivotal response treatment from Dr. Grace Gango and her research team. And we look forward to integrating this into our practice so that we can explore its effectiveness within an inclusive setting. So what do all these partnerships have in common? These collaborations demonstrate the power of inclusion and contribution. They uphold and respect dignity for all members of the community, and they focus, most importantly, on ability, what each of us can do and what we will do together. That we've learned is the power to change hearts and minds, and the power to change our future.
So let's think for a moment about the future we could create together. Abilities United sees a bright future where our strong relationships and service experience with and for people with disabilities and their families is coupled with evidence-based research and best practices from centers like the one being created here today. When aligned, these two entities will be well positioned to influence legislation and public policy to create a stronger and more responsive service system for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities in the future. We need to remember that a great deal has been accomplished in changing the lives and opportunities for the people we serve, If we and other non-profits have managed to do all of this with so few resources, just imagine what we could accomplish working together and playing to each other's strengths. Imagine what we can accomplish by joining forces. Stanford has the power and reputation as a prestigious educational organization. Abilities United has the hands-on and street-smart experience to act as a living lab for research into supports, treatments, and strategies that change lives. Moreover, Abilities United is very close to the individuals and families we serve and has a rich history of advocacy. We would love to be your partner of choice so that we could together truly understand and implement the interventions that can be the most successful to achieve our vision of a fully inclusive society. Today we have shared our story with you, and we want to invite you to embrace these values, our vision, and to partner with us so that we are able to do extraordinary work together to benefit people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. In benefiting them, we will benefit the entire community. Together we can create a united community for people with and without disabilities. Thank you for listening, and we'd be happy to answer any questions.